Assalamu alaikum dear student, I am Saqib Abbasi, your maths teacher. My YouTube channel name is Math Sarkar. Today we have a topic logarithm and exponential functions. What is a logarithm? What is the logarithmic functions? We have to discuss in detail. There is two types. We say that first one is index, second one is log form. What is the index form? What is the log form? I just write it these equations to identify the index form. Here y equal to a power x. This is we say that index form, and other one is we say that it is a logarithmic form. X equal to log of a and y. So first of all we have to discuss what is this. This is power, and what is this? This is we are calling base, and this is base. And what is y? The y is we say dash argument, argument. This is argument. Now we have to convert index number into the logarithmic form, log form. So what is the logarithmic form? First of all, your this is your power. Power will be here, and your base is there, and argument is here. We have tried to write into logarithmic form. Now moving forward, there is we have a question. Log of 216 equal to 14. How we solve this question, how we use the rules. Okay, number one, i have to I have to write it into 2 power 4 equal to 16, because this power will be here. Because this is logarithmic form, I have to convert it into the index form. So 2 power 4, it's 16, and 16 this left hand side equal to right hand side. Now we will going to second question. Second question is quite similar. So this is your base, and this is your power. Okay, and there is your argument. So 49 equal to 49, we have this question. And also a third part is similar. 3 power 4, this is your base, and 4 is your power, and 81 is your argument. 81 equal to 81. Yes, we have to complete. I think you have to understand this concept. Now moving to forward. uh, 2 power 5 equal to 32. Okay, we have to convert it into the log form. How we convert 2 power 5 equal to 32? So for this one we have to convert it into this form, logarithmic form. Okay, now first of all you have to understand, identify the what is your power, what is your base. Look here, this one is your base. So we have to write base is log of 2. Okay, this is your base. And what is your power? Power is 5. And what is your argument? This 32 is your argument. You can write it into this form. Okay, understand? Now we have a next question. Next question is we have 2 power minus 5 equal to 1 by 32. Okay, first of all, which one is your base? So this is your base, 2 is your base, and minus 5 is this green portion. Minus 5 is your power, exponent, and 1 by 32 is your argument. Okay, how to write it? Log of 2. Okay, 1 by 32 argument, and here is power minus 5. So we have to convert into the logarithmic form. Okay, these one are your practice question. You can solve by yourself, and you can take its screenshot. Okay, now we will moving forward. Here the question is about, we have to solve this question. How we solve this question is very simple. We have to using the rules. 7, this is your base, power is 2, equal to 49. 49 equal to 49, this is, we have to prove that. Okay dear friends, we have a next question is 3. Here 3 power 4 equal to 81. This is 81 equal to 81. We have the answer of this question. Now moving toward our third question is very simple. Again we have to use the concept 2 power 4 equal to x, because your base is 2 and power is 4, so x equal to 16 our answer. Now it's b part, question number 3. So here 3 power 2 3 power 2 equal to x, and x equal to 9, we have this answer. Okay, now for d part, 3 power 1 by 2 equal to x. Okay, now how we write it? Now we can write it into 3 square root. This is our form. Our f part here, x power 3 equal to 27. If x power 3, here we can write it 27. 3 power 3, it will be 27. So x equal to 3 our answer, because these three are cancelled with each other. So our answer is x equal to 3. Okay dear friends, now we have to discuss about the rules. What's the rules of the logarithmic? Okay, we have to discuss about one rule before we have solving these some questions. Okay, now our new rules is that if the base and argument are the same. What is the base? So I write it here, log, this is x, this is x, it will be 1. Okay, now second one is we have log, if base is we have x and argument is over 1, so answer will be 0. Now rule number, next rule we have, if if we have a base is x and argument has a power u, so the power will be get at start u log x into a. Okay, the only discussion about the power will be at the start. Okay, further we have discussed about, if similarly if you have a 3 the answer will be 1. If you have a, next one is if you have a 4 and 4, the answer will be 1, because the base is same. This one is base and argument is same, so your or answer will be 1. Next one, anything, if we have here base is 6 and our argument is 1, the answer will be 0. If the base is 10, argument is if we have a 7, argument is 1, there will be 0. Okay, now these rules we have to use further most commonly. Next one is log. Now we have to start about the log with base 10 is called lg. What is the mean? It is a very important property. When we have written form is lg, it's always mean log base is 10, log 10, they are the same thing. Okay, first one is we have, if we have a write into log 10 into 6, it's mean lg 6. You don't write it about here 10 because lg means simple lg means your base is 10. Okay, similarly, you can also write it log 10 9. You can write it lg9. Okay, number 6 is another very important property. This property is log with base e is ln. Okay, this property is very commonly used in the logarithmic questions. Our first one is, it's mean if you have a log property is base is 10, so it's mean you write it ln. Okay, we have another little information about if you have a log e power equal to ec, so you can write it lnc. Okay, now we have to use laws of the logarithm. These are the very important rules. Here we have to solving the logarithmic questions. We have a first property is multiplication property. What is a multiplication property? You have a log, it's a base, and these two arguments are multiplied, so your answer is log of ax. It will be multiplied, so it will be add. This is the property of log. When you multiply it, it will be plus. Another second rules, log of a x and y, it's mean log of x, log of a x minus log of a y, because these two are divide, so here property say that it will be negative. Important things. Okay, now our power rule, how we deal power rules. I have to zoom it. Log a x power m, here m log of a into x. Just think is about this power will be at start. Okay, this is the logs property, very important to solving for questions of the logarithm. We have a question is just log of 8 and log of 8. How we solve this question? Because we have to discuss about if the log property, if these two are multiplied or add, we can write it into the single log. This is positive, so property said that 8 multiplied by 8. Okay, so here 8 8 it will be 64, or answer. Okay, next one, again look that these two bases are same. How we solve this question? Again, log of 4. The property said that if they are added, so they will be multiplied. F15 multiplied by 5, here log of 4, and you got this answer 15 multiplied by 5. Okay, now C part, how we solve the C part. Okay, 2 log of 3 4 plus 5 log of 3 into 2. How we solve this question? Here log of 3 4, because at start, here the property say that when we convert it into the single log, this will be at power. Okay, the power is 2, because if this number is multiplied by the log, so we will convert it into the single log. Okay, now here 5 is multiplied by log, and this power will be shift here, log of 3 to power 5. Okay, next step is we have to convert it into the single log. 4 power 2 plus mean it will be multiply 2 power 5. Okay, log of 3, 4 power 2 it will be 16, and 2 power 5 it will be 32. So log of 3, 16 multiplied by 32, it will be 512. This one is our required answer. Now we have to solving more questions. Okay, dear friends, we have a question. Question is that 3 power x equal to 40. So this is the exponential equation. How we deal these exponential equations? Remember that if you have any constant and power will be a variable. Okay, this is the constant and this is the variable. So you take log both side. If you have this type of problem, come here. So you should take log both side. What's the log we have? Take log 3 power x log 40. Again I have to write the property say that if you have in mathematics, if you have a constant and its power is variable, you take log both side. Now apply the log property. What is the log property? This power will be at start. Okay, x log of 3 log of 4. Here at here this log is multiply with x, so in other side it will be divide. Here x will be, we get the answer is 3.36. This is our answer. You put this value log of 4 divided by log of 3 in calculator, we get the answer. Okay, now similarly next question, this is the similar same case. You have a constant and constant variable power is variable. Okay, this is variable, constant power variable. You take log both side, log 5 2x plus 1 log 200. Okay, here power will be at start 2x plus 1 log of 5, here log of 200. Okay, now how to deal this one? Log 2x plus 1 in other side log 200 divided by log 5. Why? Because this log is multiply by 2x plus 1 and other side it will be divide. Now 2x plus 1, I have to zoom it. 2x plus 1 log 200 divided by log 5. We put this value in the calculator. We got the answer is 3.292. We got this answer. Okay, now other side 2x equal to 3.292 minus 1. This is positive, other side it will be negative. Okay, here 2x 3 minus 2 9. The answer, if we take it minus 1, 2.292. This 2 is multiplied with x and other side it will be divide. 2.92 divided by 2, we got the answer is 1.19. This is our answer. Okay, now we will go to the next part. And this is, we have a question, exponentials powers. Exponential have a powers. So how we solve this type of the question? It's very simple, similar, very simple. Now remember, you have a, this power is, you have a x, this is your e. Okay, and power is also variable. Here an exponential, if you have a exponential, its power is variable. You take natural log both side, take natural log both side. The rule I have write it, exponential power with 6 7 anything, you take natural log both side. Okay, you have to understand the concept. Okay, now here x is power and power will be at the start, because logarithmic property is that power will be at start, it will be multiplied by the log. X log of e log of 7. Remember that in log of e is always 1, it will be 1. X 1 log of 7 x equal to log of 7. Put this value in calculator, we got 1.95. This is our answer. Okay, now we have our next question. Next question is e power 1 minus x. How we solve this one? We take natural log both side to 1 minus x. Just change the color. Okay, take natural log 1 minus x, natural log 5. Property is that power will be at start log of 5. Okay, so we know that 1 minus x we have previously discussed about here. uh, Log e power will be 1. The answer will be 1 log of 5. Okay, minus x log of 5 minus 1. Okay, so we got the answer. When we calculate all these problem, we get x equal to 0.609 this. So this minus will be shift here, x equal to minus 0.609. We got this answer. Hopefully you can understand this concept. Okay, next question is, dear students, is from book question, page number 115. The question number 7, solving giving your answer correct to the three significant figure. Log of x equal to 3. What's the answer of by using here? Look here, this one. Here is e, because at exponential function the base is e. To log this base is e power 3 equal to x, because the property said that's base at power. This will be power. We have to apply the our first property, x equal to e power 3. What's the answer of e power 3 if we use the calculator and using three significant figure? So we get the answer is e power 3 is 20.1. Okay, now second one is log of x equal to minus 2. How we solve this one? Here we have a x, this one is e, so this power will be e power minus 2 equal to x equal to e power minus 2. By using calculator, we got the answer is 0.135. 0.135, we got this one. Now our d part is similar these first two parts. Here is e power 3 equal to 2x minus 5. Okay, now e power 3 plus 5 equal to 2x, and 2 will be divided in other side. Here I had to zoom it. It will be x, and x we got the answer. If we using the calculator, we got the answer is e power 3 plus 5. Now our answer is 12.5. These are our answers. Okay, we have to complete the question number 7 from the books. Now we will going forward. We have a past paper question. The question is it's 4 marks question. Log, it's mean lg, it's mean log base 10. Lg log base 10, lg log base 10. How we solve this question? By using apply. First we have to apply 7x. Similarly 7x minus 3 plus log 2 will be at start, because by log property power will be at start, because I have to convert it into the single log. If we convert the single log, we will use all these properties. Okay, now 2 plus log x plus 3. Okay, now this log is, just zoom it, this question. Okay, I think this is perfect. Okay, log 7x minus 3 minus log of x plus 3 plus log of 25 equal to 2. Okay, Now we have to convert it into the single log, because first these two are positive and mid one is negative. So the positive number will be multiplied. Log of 7x minus 3 here, and here it's 25, because these two number are multiplied. The- and and this number is, because it is negative number, so it will be divide x plus 3. Okay, this is my division numbers. Okay, equal to 2. Now we have going forward, 7x minus 3, 25 divided by x plus 3 and 2. Could we write it into this one? Because log into 10, we know that log 10 base 10 equal to 1. There is 1, so we can write it into this form. Okay, I think you have to understand this explanation for these questions. Okay, now move forward. This log and log or cancels with each other. We have remaining, the answer is 7x minus 3, 25 divided by x plus 3, and here is 2 log 10 and 10. By using the property is that this power will be, okay, these friends, this log are cancel with each other, so we get 25, 7x minus 3 divided by x plus 3 equal to 100. Okay, because these logs are cancelled, because they are the same, they will be cancelled with each other. Okay, now this will be multiplied by another side, 25, 7x minus 3, 100, x plus 3. Now I have to zoom it. This one is um, 25, ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. Okay, we will cancel this one, 7x minus 3 and 4x plus 12. So we got the answer is 7x minus 4x, 12 plus 3, 7x it will be 3x, 12 plus 3 it will be 15, and we got the answer is x equal to 5. Okay, dear friends, now moving to our next part, how we solve this question. These are the also similar question, how we solve this question. Now for this question we have make a single log. When we make the single log, look, this one there is at, it will be multiplied by y by using logarithmic property. Okay, because this is adding process, so we get multiply. Okay, now log, similarly case, 2x plus 10 y equal to 2. This is 1. Okay, if this is 1, there is no number, so it will be 1 multiplied by 1, the answer will be 2. So could we write it, 1 is, we have to write it log of 10, because we know that log 10 into 10, answer will be 1. Okay, so we can write it into this form. Now using next logarithmic property say that this power will be at start, and here log and log will cancel with each other, so 2x plus 10 into y equal to 100. Okay, okay, this term is y, this term is y, this term is y, and this term is y. So we multiply by each other, 2y square, 2y square, 10y, and 100 it will be other side, it will be minus 100. So 2y square, 10y minus 100. One thing is common, one side, y square plus 5y minus 50 equal to 0, y square plus 5y minus 50 equal to 0. Here y square plus 10y minus 5y, we have to using midterm breaking technique. Y is common, y plus 10 minus 5 is common, y plus 10 equal to 0. So we got y plus 10 common, y minus 5 equal to 0. So y equal to minus 10 and y equal to 5. We got these two answers. Okay.